Hey everyone, it's Pixel, and today we're going to have a fast and easy pork chop dinner. For that, we're going to need 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4-inch thick pork chops or so, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 4 tablespoons of butter. That's it. So you know the drill. First off, you're going to want to grease a pan, put a layer of the pork chops on it, and then put a scoop over each one. And while this is going on, we're going to be preheating that oven to 350. Next, we're going to want to put a pat of our butter on each pork chop. And take our soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce and drizzle it across the top. We will then be topping this off with aluminum foil to keep the moisture in and cooking it for 40 minutes at 350 once again. And after you have it covered, you're going to want to take off the covering, the foil, and put it back into the oven for 10 minutes. Which I've already done, and they are nicely golden, and there's a nice sticky sauce for them to be in. So we're going to plate some of these up for our dinner and see how it goes. Alrighty, we've got our pork chop over some rice. I've already cut off a little piece of it. Get some of the rice. Honestly, this ended up being really good. I thought it would be too sweet, but I guess the soy sauce and the Worcestershire sauce actually balances it out really well. It's really good so far over rice. I think you'll really enjoy it, maybe with mashed potatoes on its own. It could even be really good in one of those Asian dishes or a ramen dish. Anyway, this pork is really easy to throw together. I put it a little bit longer than 10 minutes in the long run to brown it up and make the sauce for it. Probably more like 15 or 20 even. But just keep an eye on it because you don't want it to burn. Anyway, if you have any thoughts, have any suggestions, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video.